Hello, my name is Rachel Barrington and I am a member of the Client Services team here at IEEE. In this video, I'll be sharing a sneak peek of the IEEE DiscoveryPoint for Communications platform and how it can support the product design and development team at your organization. Let's start off with a quick introduction to IEEE DiscoveryPoint. This is a new platform built for engineers in the communications industry that provides trusted information from multiple high-quality sources, including full-text IEEE publications, all in one search, enabling users to find necessary information across different content types in a single platform. Focused communications content, which allows engineers to easily locate project-specific materials and avoids time wasted sifting through irrelevant search results. Practical industry information that outlines best practices, addresses real-world design challenges, and directly benefits engineers working in industry settings. In this demonstration, you'll see that IEEE DiscoveryPoint helps engineers find relevant and accurate sources more efficiently. Let's take a closer look at the platform and see the solutions it presents for a specific engineering design challenge. In this scenario, you're a mobile phone designer who needs to understand how to better provide battery load balance of a 300 milliamp battery in order to minimize battery charge drainage in your company's mobile devices. So you go to IEEE DiscoveryPoint and search for Battery Load Management, Mobile Device, 300 milliamp. After searching, you'll see that your results are clearly organized in distinct channels, categorized by content type, including research, composed of peer-reviewed published articles, vendor solutions containing hardware parts and components information from manufacturers, standards to ensure product compliance and interoperability, and white papers containing industry intelligence and best practices published by innovative companies and organizations in communications. You select the research channel to gain a better understanding of the issue. As you scroll through the research listings of peer-reviewed papers and their abstracts, you see insights outlined along the right side of the screen. These brief snippets contain the most relevant ideas within your results pertaining to the subjects in your search query. After skimming, you notice the insights from one paper are particularly relevant. This seems to be a promising paper, so you open the full text to see if it contains information that may provide more insight and possibly help determine a solution to your design problem. The example mentioned in this paper provides an explanation of the requirements of the load current of 300 milliamps, a robust power supply voltage with less than 1% variation, which can be extrapolated and tested as a solution for your 300 milliamp battery needs. You return to your search results, scroll to the top, and select Vendor Solutions. Here you see the regulators and linear regulators listed. You know these components are used in devices to help regulate and maintain a steady voltage, and thereby provide better load balancing to maximize a battery's charge. You find information on one such device, the 1714 by Analog Devices. Finally, as any designer knows, ensuring the battery is compliant with standard specifications is important. You select the Standards channel at the top and find relevant standards, many that are IEEE, pertinent to your design. You notice IEEE Standard 1725 on rechargeable batteries for cellular telephones and see that it contains the specifications and test methodologies that are important for the success of your product. Using the data gathered from the Research, Vendor Solutions, and Standards channels on IEEE DiscoveryPoint for Communications, you're confident that you found the information needed to resolve the 300 milliamp battery drainage issue in your company's mobile devices. This is just one example scenario of IEEE DiscoveryPoint being used to solve a real-world engineering problem and highlights only a few of the many features and benefits of this new and robust information platform. Contact us today to request a custom demo for your organization and see specific solutions presented for your team's unique needs. Thank you for watching.